I just cleaned up a turkey breast, got every yucky out of there. We want to go roughly, want to make nice strips. Yeah, I just sharpened the serrated knife. Sawing away. Yes, it is very slimy. Notice I turn the bag inside out. Now with this part, I want to roughly get and half it. It's the fatter part of the breast. Oh, got to cut that off. Forgot about that. Nothing there. And finish cutting our strips. That tail. And there you go. Throw in the marinade. All right, I'm going to cut up the other one and throw it in here. But that is the easy way. This is actually a Szechuan Savoy marinade. I used Szechuan peppercorns. Yummy. Love it.